Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Destiny 2 game is not launching on your PC. Guys, first solution is start DirectX 11 or 12 command only if crash on startup. First open up the Steam, then just go to your Destiny 2 game, then just click on the gear icon. Go to your game properties. Once you click on the property, now here you will see the launch option. Now just type here -dx11. Once you type this command, now launch the game, check problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, then just type here -tx12. Now launch the game, check if your game is launching or not. If your game is still not launching, then just type here -t3d11. Now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Now if your game is still not launching, then just remove this launch option and just uncheck the box of Steam overlay. Then launch the game, then check. Still not launching, then just click on the install files option you are seeing here. Then just click on the verify integrity of game files. It will take some time, so just wait for it, then simply relaunch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If not, then make a right click on your taskbar, open up the task manager, then go to the startup application. Now guys, here simply disable all the background application, because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically and interfere with the game and causing your game not launch issues. So make a right click on all of these that are useless and just disable these, then simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. If your game is still not launching, then just close it and click on the browse option you are seeing here. Guys, here simply locate your game launcher or exe file of your game. So make a right click on your game launcher, go to its properties, go to the compatibility tab. Now here just uncheck the box and also uncheck this box and just check the box of administrator, then click on apply. Now launch the game, check. If your game is still not launching, then just check the box of disable full screen optimization, then click on apply. Now launch the game, then check. Still your game is not launching, then just check the box of compatibility mode and choose it the Windows 8. Now just click on apply. Now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Guys, if your game is still not launching, then just close it. Now the next step that you need to do is simply go to your Windows search and type here the update. You'll see the check for update and open it, then just update your Windows. Guys, once you update your Windows, and you also need to make sure that your graphic card drivers are up to date. Once you update your Windows or graphic card drivers, simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. And hope one of these solutions fix your problem, and if yes, please like this video and bye bye.